Welcome to Belgium, a small nation with a big legacy that echoes across the world. In this video, we'll uncover how this tiny country has left a massive impact on history, culture, and global affairs. From medieval cities to world-famous chocolate and breathtaking festivals, Belgium is a powerhouse of charm and influence. Stay tuned as we explore its rich heritage, vibrant cities, and hidden gems. Prepare to see Belgium like never before. Let's begin. Belgium, a nation of history and influence. Located in Western Europe, Belgium is a country known for its rich history, cultural heritage, and global influence. With a total land area of 30,689 square kilometers, 11,849 square miles, Belgium ranks 140th in the world by size. But don't let its size fool you. Despite being small, Belgium is home to approximately 11.7 million people, making it the 80th most populous country globally. Sharing borders with France, Germany, the Netherlands, and Luxembourg, Belgium is more than just a country. It's a vital economic and political hub. Its capital, Brussels, isn't just the heart of Belgium. It's also the de facto capital of the European Union, hosting major institutions like the European Commission and NATO headquarters. Belgium's economy and tourism industry. 1. Belgium's thriving economy. Belgium boasts a highly developed economy, ranking among the wealthiest nations in Europe. With a gross domestic product, GDP, of approximately $625 billion as of recent estimates, it stands as one of the top 25 largest economies in the world. GDP per capita, around $53,000, one of the highest in Europe. Key economic sectors: industrial manufacturing, chemicals, pharmaceuticals, food processing, and diamond trading. Major exports: machinery, chemicals, diamonds, vehicles, and refined petroleum. Annual visitors to Belgium. Belgium is a major tourist destination, welcoming approximately 10 to 12 million international visitors per year. The country's blend of historical landmarks, medieval architecture, world-class museums, and vibrant cities makes it a hotspot for travelers. Top countries visiting Belgium: France, Germany, the Netherlands, the United Kingdom, and the United States. Most visited cities: Brussels, Bruges, Antwerp, Ghent, and Liège. Peak tourist seasons: spring and summer, April-September, when the weather is perfect for sightseeing. Major cities of Belgium. 1. Brussels, Bruxelles. The capital city population, all 1.2 million. Significance: the political and economic heart of Belgium and Europe. Tourist highlights: Grand Place, Atomium, Mannequin Pies, European Parliament, Royal Palace of Brussels. 2. Antwerpen. Population: 540,000. Significance: a major diamond trading hub and home to one of Europe's busiest ports. Tourist highlights: Cathedral of Our Lady, Antwerp Zoo, MAS Museum, Rubens House. 3. Bruges, the Venice of the North population, 120,000. Significance: famous for its picturesque canals and medieval charm, a fairy tale in real life. Tourist highlights: Belfry of Bruges, Basilica of the Holy Blood, Markt Square, Minnewater Lake. 4. Ghent. Population: 270,000. Significance: a historic city blending medieval architecture with modern culture, a must-visit. Tourist highlights: Gravenstein Castle, St. Bavo's Cathedral, Grossley and Corenlay, Ghent Altarpiece. 5. Liège, Population: 200,000. Significance: an industrial and cultural hub in Wallonia with a rich history. Tourist highlights: Liège-Guillemont. Train station: Montagne de Bueren, Prince Bishop's Palace. top historical and tourist attractions in Belgium. Grand Place, Brussels. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, considered one of the most beautiful squares in the world. The ornate guild halls, the golden details, the sheer magnificence. It's a sight that takes your breath away. Atomium, Brussels. A futuristic structure built for Expo 1958, symbolizing Belgium's scientific progress. Towering above the city, its gleaming spheres reflect the dreams of a nation reaching for the future. Gravenstein Castle, Ghent. A medieval fortress that transports you straight into Belgium's feudal past. Walk through its stone corridors, stand on its mighty walls, and feel the echoes of history whispering in your ears. Belfry of Bruges. A 13th century bell tower offering panoramic views of the city. Climb its 366 steps, yes, 366, and be rewarded with a breathtaking view that stretches as far as the North Sea. The Battle of Waterloo site. The battlefield where Napoleon Bonaparte met his ultimate defeat in 1815. Imagine the clash of armies, the roar of cannons. This is where history was made. The Ardennes. A scenic mountainous region known for its lush forests, winding rivers, and rich World War II history. Whether you're hiking, exploring, or simply taking in the tranquility, it's a paradise for nature lovers. Mannequin Piss, Brussels. A famous bronze statue that embodies Brussels' rebellious spirit. Small but mighty, this cheeky little figure has been delighting visitors for centuries. The Basilica of the Holy Blood. Bruges, a place of deep reverence. Housing a vial said to contain the very blood of Christ, this sacred site draws pilgrims from around the world. The royal greenhouses of Laeken, a stunning glass-domed wonder filled with rare and exotic plants. But here's the catch. It's open to the public for only a few weeks each year. Don't miss your chance to step inside this floral paradise. Mechelen's St. Rumbold's Cathedral. A Gothic masterpiece with an awe-inspiring 97-meter-high tower. Stand beneath its towering spire, listen to the grand carillon bells, and feel the weight of centuries of devotion and craftsmanship. Belgian traditions and culture. Belgium has a rich cultural heritage, shaped by Dutch, French, and German influences. Some of the most unique Belgian traditions include 3 language communities. Belgium is divided into 3 distinct linguistic regions: Flemish, Dutch-speaking region, Flanders; French-speaking region, Wallonia; German-speaking region, the smallest, located in the east. And then there's Brussels, the capital, which is bilingual, Dutch and French. Carnival of Binche, UNESCO listed. This incredible medieval festival takes place before Lent in Binche, featuring vibrant, masked performers, Gilles, who energetically throw oranges into the crowd for good luck. Amagang Festival, Brussels. A breathtaking historical parade held every July, reenacting the grand entry of Emperor Charles V into Brussels in 1549. Participants wear stunning medieval costumes. There's jousting, music, and an atmosphere straight out of history. Giant puppet festivals. Belgium is renowned for its massive papier-mâché giants, which appear in grand parades and lively festivals. One of the most famous is the Ducasse d'Ath Festival, where Goliath and other towering figures dance through the streets, delighting the crowds. Belgian cuisine, famous foods and drinks. Belgium is world famous for its delicious food and unique specialties. Some must-try dishes include Belgian waffles, gaufres. There are 2 main types: Brussels waffles, light, crispy, and square-shaped, often served with powdered sugar or drizzled in rich, melted chocolate. Liège waffles, sweeter, denser, and caramelized with sugar chunks. Each bite is a delightful crunch of sweetness. Belgian chocolate. Belgium is one of the top chocolate producers in the world. Famous brands include Godiva, Leonidas, Neuhaus, and Côte d'Or. And guess what? The country has over 2,000 chocolate shops. Chocoholics, this is your paradise. French fries, frites. Belgian fries are thicker, crispier, and simply irresistible. Forget ketchup. Here, they're served with mayonnaise for a rich, creamy twist. And yes, they were invented in Belgium, not France. Moules frites, mussels and fries. A national dish you can't miss. Fresh mussels steamed in white wine, garlic and herbs, served with crispy golden fries. Heavenly. Carbonade flamande, Flemish stew. A mouth-watering beef stew slow-cooked in Belgian beer, onions and mustard. Usually paired with crispy fries or warm, fresh bread. A true comfort food. Stoufvlees. Another hearty Flemish favorite. Slow-cooked beef stew with beer, onions, and a rich blend of spices. Every bite is packed with deep, comforting flavors. Water Zooey. This creamy, soul-warming soup, made with chicken or fish, vegetables, and eggs, originates from Ghent. It's like a warm hug on a cold day. Belgian beer. Belgium has over 1,500 different types of beer. Yes, you read that right. The country is famous for its Trappist beers, brewed by monks for centuries. Some must-try varieties include Trappist beers, West-Vleteren, Chimay, Orval. Rich, traditional, and brewed by monks with centuries of expertise. Lambic beers, Kriek, cherry beer. Fruity, tart, and refreshingly unique. Duvel and Leffy. These famous golden ales are loved by beer enthusiasts worldwide. Famous festivals in Belgium. Belgium hosts some of Europe's biggest, boldest, and most exciting festivals, attracting visitors from around the world. Whether it's music, food, or culture, there's always something to celebrate. 1. Tomorrowland. Boom, Belgium. One of the biggest electronic music festivals in the world. Held every July, featuring top DJs like David Guetta, Martin Garrix, and Armin van Buuren. Tickets sell out within minutes. 2. Carnival of Binche, UNESCO Heritage Festival, takes place in February, just before Lent. Gilles, masked performers, parade through the streets, throwing oranges for good luck. 3. Bruges Christmas Market. One of the most magical Christmas markets in Europe. Features wooden stalls, ice skating, and festive lights. Pure holiday magic. 4. Gentse Feesten, Ghent Festival. A 10-day music, theater, and cultural festival in July. Over 1.5 million visitors attend each year, an electrifying experience. 5. Flower Carpet Festival, Brussels Grand Place, every 2 years. A massive floral carpet, made of 500,000 flowers, covers the Grand Place for 4 breathtaking days. 6. Rock Werchter, Music Festival. One of Europe's biggest rock festivals, held in June. Past performers include Coldplay, Foo Fighters, and Pearl Jam. Truly legendary. 7. Belgian National Day, July 21st. Celebrates Belgium's independence from the Netherlands in 1830. Includes fireworks, parades, and concerts in Brussels. What a celebration. Historical background of Belgium. Belgium has a long and fascinating history, shaped by wars, revolutions, and cultural influences from neighboring countries. 1. Ancient and Roman era, before 500 AD. The region was originally inhabited by Celtic tribes known as the Belgae. In 57 BC, Julius Caesar conquered the area, making it part of the Roman Empire. Imagine the clash of civilizations. The Romans built roads and cities, bringing Latin influence. But over time, Germanic tribes, like the Franks, took over. 2. The Middle Ages, 500 to 1500 AD. Belgium became part of the Frankish Empire under Charlemagne in the 8th century. During the 12th-15th centuries, cities like Bruges, Ghent, and Antwerp flourished, becoming major trading centers. Wealth, power, and ambition filled the streets. The region was ruled by the Dukes of Burgundy, making it one of the richest areas in medieval Europe. 3. Spanish and Austrian rule, 1500 to 1795. In 1519, Belgium became part of the Spanish Empire under Charles V. Then came the Protestant Reformation in the 16th century, a time of chaos, faith, and brutal religious wars. After years of turmoil, the region fell under Austrian control, 1713 to 1795. 4. French and Dutch rule, 1795 to 1830. Revolution erupted. France annexed Belgium in 1795 during the French Revolution. After Napoleon's defeat in 1815, Belgium was absorbed into the United Kingdom of the Netherlands, but unrest brewed. 5. Belgian independence, 1830. Then came 1830, the turning point. Belgium boldly declared independence from the Netherlands after the Belgian Revolution. Freedom at last. Leopold I became Belgium's first king, marking a new era. 6. World Wars and modern Belgium, 20th century, present. Belgium suffered immensely when Germany invaded during both World War I, 1914 to 1918, and World War II, 1940 to 1945. The devastation was unimaginable, but Belgium emerged stronger. After World War II, Belgium played a key role in shaping modern Europe, becoming a founding member of NATO and the European Union, EU. Today, Belgium is a prosperous, politically influential nation that continues to shape the world. Belgium's most popular sports. Belgium is passionate about sports. Football, soccer, being the most popular. However, the country also excels in cycling, tennis, and motorsports. 1. Football, the national sport. Belgium's national football team, the Red Devils, is one of the world's strongest teams. They finished third in the 2018 FIFA World Cup. Famous Belgian footballers include Eden Hazard, Kevin De Bruyne, Romelu Lukaku, and Thibaut Courtois, true legends of the game. Top Belgian clubs: RSC Anderlecht, Club Bruges, Standard Liège, and KRC Genk. 2. Cycling, Belgium's most successful sport. Belgium has produced some of the world's greatest cyclists, including Eddy Merckx, considered the greatest cyclist of all time. Famous races in Belgium: Tour of Flanders, Liège-Bastogne-Liège, and Omloop Het Nieuwsblad, thrilling competitions that test the limits of endurance. 3. Tennis. Belgium has had several world-class tennis players, including Kim Clijsters and Justine Henin, both ranked world number 1. David Goffin is currently Belgium's top male tennis player, carrying the nation's hopes on his shoulders. 4. Motorsport. Formula 1, F1. The Circuit de Spa-Francorchamps hosts the famous Belgian Grand Prix, one of the most exciting races in Formula 1. Jackie Ickx, one of Belgium's greatest racing drivers, was a 6-time winner of the legendary 24 Hours of Le Mans 5. Basketball is rapidly growing in popularity, with the national teams known as the Belgian Lions, men, and Belgian Cats, women. Belgium's women's basketball team made history by winning bronze at the 2021 European Championship. 6. Field hockey, a rising sport. Belgium's men's national team, the Red Lions, won gold at the 2020 Tokyo Olympics and were crowned 2018 world champions, an incredible achievement. Major airports in Belgium. Belgium has several international airports, making travel smooth, efficient, and exciting for both tourists and business travelers. 1. Brussels Airport, BRU. The largest and busiest, located in Zaventem, just 12 kilometers from Brussels city center. Handles over 26 million passengers annually. Offers direct flights to Europe, North America, Asia, and Africa, connecting Belgium to the world. Major airlines: Brussels Airlines, Ryanair, Lufthansa, Emirates, Qatar Airways. 2. Brussels South Charleroi Airport, CRL, located in Charleroi, 55 kilometers from Brussels. Mostly serves low-cost airlines like Ryanair and Wizz Air, a favorite for budget-conscious travelers. Ideal for affordable, hassle-free flights within Europe. 3. Antwerp International Airport, ANR. A small yet convenient airport, just 5 kilometers from Antwerp city center. Offers flights to London, Spain, and other European cities, perfect for quick getaways. 4. Liège Airport, LGG. One of Europe's largest cargo hubs, yet it also serves passenger flights. Popular for routes to Mediterranean destinations, sun, sea, and relaxation await. Top hotels in Belgium. From luxurious 5-star accommodations to cozy, budget-friendly stays, Belgium has something for everyone. Best hotels in Brussels, capital city, Hotel Amigo, a luxury escape near Grand Place, with elegant rooms and top-class service. Steigenberger Wiltshires, a 5-star retreat featuring a spa, fine dining, and lavish suites. The Dominican, a stylish boutique hotel in the heart of Brussels. Meininger Hotel, affordable and family-friendly, a great choice for budget travelers. Warwick, Brussels, fantastic location, near Grand Place and prime shopping areas. Best hotels in Antwerp Hotel Julien. Modern, stylish, and chic, with a rooftop terrace overlooking Antwerp. Radisson Blue Astrid Hotel. Perfect for business and leisure, located near Antwerp Central Station. August Hotel, a beautifully designed luxury boutique hotel with a unique charm. Best hotels in Bruges Hotel, Duke's Palace. Bruges, a former palace, now a luxurious retreat near the historic center. Relais Bourgondisch Cruise, a romantic canal-side gem with breathtaking views. Grand Hotel Castleberg. Modern luxury meets classic Bruges architecture, a perfect blend of history and elegance. Final words. Why Belgium should be on your travel list. Belgium is a hidden European gem, offering history, culture, modern attractions, and world-famous cuisine all in one place. Whether you're a history buff, foodie, music lover, or sports enthusiast, Belgium has something special for you. Travel tips for visitors. Best time to visit: spring, April, June, and autumn, September, October. Perfect weather and fewer crowds. Transport. Use Belgium's efficient trains and buses. Traveling has never been easier. Language. Learn a few words in French, bonjour, Dutch, hallo, and German, guten Tag. Locals love the effort. Must-try food. Don't leave without tasting Belgian waffles, chocolate, fries, and beer. Delicious. Budget travel. Grab a Brussels card for free entry to attractions and discounts on transport. Save money while exploring. A country that offers everything. Belgium might be small in size, but it has a big heart and an even bigger cultural experience waiting for you. Whether you're wandering the fairy tale streets of Bruges, indulging in world-class chocolate in Brussels, or cheering at a thrilling football match in Antwerp, Belgium will leave you with unforgettable memories. Plan your trip today and discover the magic of Belgium.